You got the words to change a nation, but you're biting your tongue. You spent a lifetime stuck in silence, afraid that you'll say something wrong. If no one ever hears it, how we gonna learn your song? So come on, come on, come on, come on. You've got a heart as loud as a lion, so I let your voice be turned, a light to fight the shadow.